Afternoon, YouTube. Well, welcome to the Love Bus. So, right, it is mystery box challenge time. There must have been a glitch in the matrix yesterday because I was on the long mind out on the bike. The video to come on that. It's all in the wrong order. There'll be a video about that, but this will probably come out first, so don't get too confused. I was up there with Dave while Dave was videoing his mystery box unboxing, and while I was up there, this happened. He's wondering, is the dog out? Dun dun dun. The pigeon postman. Unless you even walk like a postman, mate. You've got that sort of stroll. Oh, lovely morning. So a strange box arrived. So I know who it's off. So Russ hand delivered my mystery box. So we'll get stuck in. So this isn't a mystery box. Any mystery about that is where they've all gone, but it's not really a mystery. So right, we'll get sorted and open this up. Right then, without further ado, let's see what's in here. If you're watching this and you haven't got a clue what's going on with a mystery box, I'm a member of a Facebook group called Great Outdoors TV, and Joss, hi to Joss, it was his idea. It's been done once before. This is the second round. So 20 people basically agree to do it. Joss puts all the names into a hat and distributes names and addresses of other YouTubers to each other. And you all have to buy your nominated person a mystery box. And I got Dave. Dave was quite petrified when he found out that I was sending him a box of something. But there was a few things in there. You'll have to look at Dave's channel to see what that is. But if honest, then when I saw who delivered the parcel last night, now I'm petrified. So I don't quite know what's going to be in here. Could be me getting a big black dildo, couldn't it? Let's have a look. I think the first thing to do is read the note. So I'll read the note. Mystery box challenge. Hi Gordon. Here's a mystery box parcel. Hope you like it. Don't forget to mention the Great Outdoors TV Facebook group. Go and have a look on there and upload your video to YouTube, which will be going up shortly. My channel is called The Druid Rambler. So that's Russ. If you don't know The Druid Rambler, have a look at this.
This is yeah, Russ is in now.
Russ is in.
Right now, you got to.
Oh dear.
Russ is out now.
Hi Gordon, fancy having you. I hope what you find in this box useful. There are a couple of things in here that I feel you need some practice with. I hope that's not the dildo, as this will prevent further outdoor accidents from happening. All the best, buddy. Enjoy, Russell. Thank you very much, Russell. You're a star. Now, I feel a bit embarrassed now because I was ribbing Russ about not spending a silly amount of money on these mystery box parcels. And it's turned out I'm a beneficiary of that, isn't I? So, cheers, Russ. But I hope you haven't gone mad, mate. Right. This is what I was expecting. Fishing floaters, the Pooey bathtub game. Jesus. Right. Long time since I had a bath, but gotta start again sometime. Okay. Keep digging. It is a mystery, isn't it? Wasn't expecting a floating poo game. Blueberry muffins, another private joke. We went, where you saw the hammock video, where we were camping in Nipstone Forest, and when Russ got back into the hammock and actually went to sleep in it, About 3 o'clock in the morning, he was seen wandering around the site looking for somewhere to go for a discreet wee, and availed himself to some blueberry muffins at 3 o'clock in the morning, and the joke has stuck. So every time we see Russ now, we call him Russ the Blueberry Muffin Muncher. So I've now got 16 blueberry muffins. Thank you very much, mate. Oh, we've got a ting. Right, I'm intrigued. What the hell's that? I can see what this is, so I'm going to get stuck into this one first. This is a cooker. Is it a cooker? It's a pot set. Bloody hell. Thank you very much, Russell. What have we got here? I was using a set of these very things yesterday up on the Long Bind. Oh my god, there's all sorts of toys in there. So we've got a cooker. We've got a heat. I assume that is that a heat resistant thing? Canister steady. What's going on here? Oh right, there's a cup. Drinking cup. So we've got base pot, little pot. I'm assuming that's also a lid to that pot. That sits in there. Ah, mystery. See, it's all mystery. That's so I don't burn my mitts on it. Then there's something hiding. This is the gas canister. Are they foldable now? Okay. Folding cutlery. Basically, it's all you need, isn't it? All in one kit. I can make me blueberry muffin pies in there. Well sorted. That must be the cooker. Bloody marvellous. Oh, it's got a lighter thing. That'll come in handy. Especially when I was on the top of Caer Caradoc, having taken my dinner up there with me. My little Amazon special lightweight thing got so hot that it melted the ball bearing in the canister and I couldn't use it. That's natty, isn't it? It all folds up into one thing. Bloody marvellous. Thank you very much. Play with that later. Right, what else was in there? I see what you mean now. 50 knots you need to know. That could come in very handy, couldn't it? Because Russ's poor incident with the hammock, although he thinks secretly somebody stitched him up there, it genuinely wasn't a stitch up, but I have to confess I tied the knot that failed. So I will read that and I will memorise it, Russ. Next time you're in a hammock, be assured that it'll be a better knot, and probably best check it, mate, as well first before you get in. So, oh, there's one more little thing. Just the dildo. No, no dildos. I'm very impressed, mate. You contained yourself, because your Google search history is something I will be worried about. Flint and steel. Okay, that's a whistle. Right, know how to use that. And this is to start a fire. Cool. Does it work? Does it ever? Excellent. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Genuinely pleased with that, Russ. You're a star, mate. Shouldn't have gone to all that trouble, but thank you very much. And a happy birthday. Russ has just turned 40. I know a lot of you thought he was a lot younger than that, but yeah, he's just turned 40. So happy birthday, mate. and see you all on the next camp. Thank you all for watching, and see you on the next one.